Are you a streamer that has 1, 2, maybe even 3 stream decks but still don't feel like you have enough keys? Well, I have the perfect solution for you. I got a free stream deck just for you. And even if you're not a streamer but still could use the productivity of a stream deck, I got you too in this video. Let's go. What is going on, guys? This is your dude Shop, and in this video we're going to dive into the world of Elgato Stream Deck Mobile. We're talking customization, responsiveness, and did I mention that it was free? This is going to be a game changer not only for streamers but non-streamers alike. But before we get started, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and click that notification bell so you don't miss out on any new content. All right, let's get into it. Elgato just dropped a bombshell with their new Stream Deck Mobile. This bad boy turns your iPhone or iPad into a fully customizable Stream Deck. And guess what? Here's the best part. It is free. There's a free version to this. The free version gives you 6 keys for life on unlimited devices. That's like getting a Stream Deck Mini for free and getting multiple of them if you have many iPhones to spare. But wait, there's more. I feel like a damn infomercial right now. But if you're feeling like a streaming pro, you can upgrade to the Pro version for $299 per month or $24.99 per year. This unlocks more keys, custom layouts, and unique backgrounds. It's like going from a bicycle to a Ferrari in the streaming world. And for my iPad users, you can have up to 64 keys with the Pro version. Hook up 2 iPads and now you have a full streaming command center at your fingertips. It's easy to install. Connect your iOS device to your computer and it works in the Stream Deck software as if it was one of your other Stream Decks, and with the ability to drag and drop commands and actions with ease. Got an extra iPhone gathering dust? Well, dust it off because there's no device limit. You can turn that old iPhone into a 6-key Stream Deck. Only works on iOS devices. Sorry, Android users. Stream Deck Mobile also works with Siri, giving you that personal assistant that you've always wanted. No need to find the button when you can just tell someone else to do it. I have to admit, I'm having a little problem with Siri, but it's probably because I didn't use Siri at all and I never set it up on my iPad. I have kids to do that stuff that I can boss around. Hey Ray, come turn off my lights. I probably should set up Siri. All right, let's talk about responsiveness. The keys are way more responsive than I thought they would be. It's really no different than pressing the key on a regular Stream Deck. It's smooth, it's fast, it's reliable. See how responsive this is? Wow. All right, guys, that's the rundown for Elgato Stream Deck Mobile. Whether you're a seasoned streamer or just getting started, the free version, in my opinion, is a no-brainer. And for those who are looking to take their content and their workflow to the next level, the Pro version is just for you. And I definitely want to emphasize that you don't have to be a streamer in order to take advantage of Stream Deck's tools and what it can do for you in streamlining the workflow in whatever you're doing on your computer. So I think this also can benefit you guys as well. So that's going to do it. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, comment below whether you're going to use this free version of the Stream Deck Mobile. This your dude Shop. I'm out. Peace.